welcome to Zebra Studio. My name is Molly, and today we'll be talking about going to Mars. Going to Mars and the cost of going to Mars. So, not only going to Mars, but colonizing Mars. Well, we've just seen what happened recently. This, was it last week, I'm sure? Tesla, Elon Musk, was able to take a rocket up. So guys, we are going to Mars, and apparently our kids might even be working there. And restaurants, we'll have restaurants there. Guys, stay tuned. Let's find out what's that messed up planet Earth, according to some other people. So now let's go and mess up Mars. But it's going to cost a lot of money. It's not that cheap to go to Mars. It's very expensive. So my question is, will you afford to go to Mars? Or not only you, but will your kids be able to go to Mars? Because apparently our kids, or maybe the next generation, I don't know which generation, but it looks like Mars is a place that human beings can live, eat, grow plants, and survive. And obviously breathe. We humans like to explore. We like to find out about things. Elon Musk has just done that, okay? Apparently people thought he couldn't do it, but he's done it. And he's a private company or organization. It's not countries who are doing it now. It's individuals who are doing it. So Mars is very small, and the atmosphere is very thin. Mars is very cold. There's less gravity in Mars compared to planet Mars is 250 million miles away, and it can take you like 8 months to get there. But anyway, the rocket can take you there. Countries like Japan, I think Japan, America, China, and India have tried to go to Mars, and they failed quite a few times. But this time, let's see. So how soon can we start living in Mars? NASA says by 2040. Tesla, Elon Musk, 2027. 2027, Elon Musk, the owner of SpaceX. Well, he's given us Tesla, which is the electronic cars. And a few days ago, I think a rocket was sent from America to see if we can live and continue living there, because it's going to be fun. Let's have fun in Mars. That's what's going to happen. And that's just the only thing. We need to find out how we're going to live. We need food, shelter. We need to grow plants. How are we going to live? Oxygen. How are we going to breathe? Apparently that NASA says is moist. I think they've said, obviously, that, you know. But yeah, we can live in Mars and have fun and have TV shows, and our kids will want to work there in the next, years to come. And obviously, it's very expensive. I'm going to tell you how much it's going to cost. Will you afford it? And are you saving up to go to Mars? Mars is dry. It's sort of like a desert. And there's a lot of moist there. So perhaps I think something's been developed for growing plants. So to survive in Mars, we need food, shelter, clothing, fresh air, and water. We also need oxygen. Right, carrying water to Mars is quite a heavy task. But not only it's very heavy to carry water to Mars. So they have discovered that the soil in Mars carries a lot of moist. So we'll get the water from there. And obviously with the orbits that are still in Mars, apparently, have shown some ice, pictures of ice. So water, we do have water in Mars, right? So that proves that human beings can start a colony in Mars. A colony in Mars. Because if we have water, then we're good to go. The orbiters have also shown that there's a lot of water underground in Mars. But that will take a lot of work, a lot of energy, a lot of human labor, because the water's underground. The University of Washington in 1998, I think, came up with a device that will help in solving the issue of water and the breathing. So yes, oxygen and all that. But the scientists have already developed that. So NASA has already developed something to help with the breathing. Maxi, it's a Maxi, developed by science. And according to TED Talk, the rocket that's just been launched from America has that for oxygen, for fresh air. So food, at the moment they're using dried food, and because they still have to fix the water issue, because there's no water without, you can't have food if you don't have water, you can't grow that. In Mars, that suit will keep you warm and block radiation.